What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you something under this vehicle that I just noticed now and I think has been there since production. I don't like it. I'm gonna have this checked out, but from reading in the forums, this is like the way it is. I guess it's even in the design plans or whatever. I don't know why. It doesn't make any sense, but again, I'm not an engineer. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's not a design. Maybe there is something wrong. Either way, it is going to get looked at, but I wanted to show you because, like I said, I saw it, I got concerned, then I Googled, and, you know, usually when you Google, you find out bad news, like you got cancer, you're going to die, but I found out that a bunch of people with the GMs and everything are saying that this is on all of the vehicles. There is a pipe coming right off under this car that's like dented to hell, and it looks like it's pancaked. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So again, excuse the wind. You let me know down below if you've seen this before, or if you have any experience with this. Is this common? So we're going under, and we don't have to go far. There is a pipe right here. Let me try to get a good angle. Look at that. And I don't know if you realize how smushed this is. Let me try to get above it. Like it comes off and it's chilling, and then it's like smushy poo pancakes. Honestly, I think if this side didn't have this like extra dent right here and it was just flat, I would maybe believe this, but I don't understand. I don't understand. Somebody needs to explain this to me, because this seems super restrictive, and nothing hit my car. There's no damage anywhere underneath my vehicle. I've been to one shop, period, for the exhaust work on this vehicle when they put the corset in, and it was lifted up on the wheels. It was a big giant lift. It was nothing underneath the vehicle. It's never been lifted anywhere other than that. So I don't know how the hell there would be this pinch. So I figured I would document this just in case, because I've never seen this before. This seems a bit ridiculous, and I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. So again, this comes here. That's the pipe there. It comes down here, and they meet up here, and it all joins here, and then it just makes its way down here to this big old mofo. But my exhaust from Corsa, I believe, started here, so nothing was touched. I believe this is all factory on this part forward. So, you know, anyway, just wanted to document this. I am gonna get this looked at, but I've seen pictures, and I'm gonna post it right now. So as you can see, this picture, this is somebody else posting their vehicle, and it looks a lot like what I'm looking at, which, again, very freaking GM. What is this? What is that? And, like, can you fix that? Can you make this less bent? Is that gonna, like, this just doesn't seem right to me. It doesn't seem right. In fact, it seems completely wrong. I've never seen this on any vehicle I've ever owned, and there's no punctures, and the car doesn't ride weird at all. It rides perfectly fine. So I don't know, but again, never had any damage, hasn't been touched, and that's what we're looking at. So if you've seen this before, do you think this is common, and this is just typical, like, you know, factory crap from GM? I don't know. Let me know. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. Look at that. What the hell is this? I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. And I hope nobody's got an exhaust like that, because that's crazy. I'm gonna post this as my thumbnail. I don't know. Yay, GM! I thought I was out of the crapola when I ditched the Mopar. Here we go! More crap! I love it! It's so good! German next, and I'm gonna open up myself to a whole other can of worms. I'm screwed.